Beachy boy, Beachy. You know what? No matter where you go, there's fucking road wigs everywhere, and they're building everywhere. I'm just in the hold on. I'm in the old X Trail, the old smoker. Look at that. 204 miles. That's what it's done. Nice, eh? I got me doggies here. Look. We don't want to be showing them that, do we? They'll be doxing me dog. Nice leather seats. Nice, like it's like a piano finish, but it's rough. All the different modes for the 4-wheel drive. Nice plush leather. 12.1 inch screen. Look at all those cameras. It's even got YouTube. Nice, eh? What would you rather have, right? Serious question. Would you rather have a 66% share in nothing? Of some dirty little bar where transsexuals lake around, and then you get a bunch of OAPs like laking and touching there? Or would you rather have a nice little, well, it's not little, but you know what I mean, a nice Nissan X-Trail? I mean, notice, right, people like Frank Tierney, they can't show anything nice, can they? You ever noticed that? You know why? Because they've got no money, that's why. Hey, it's a BYD. Was that Cambo? And he's BYD. So, I wonder who's been grassed up today for nothing. I wonder. Has Colin got his plane ticket yet to the UK? Because he's got a couple of postcodes now. I think he's bottling it. You know, these duds never show nothing, do they? They never ever show anything nice, anything of any value. Oh, by the way, that doesn't say Nissan. That says Maserati Team New sticker. So don't get confused, right? I'm putting a sticker on it and telling everybody it's a fucking Maserati. Seems to be the norm. Anyway, my missus is just coming out the hairdressers now, and I'll catch you when I go live later. No, Colin, no, put it away, no. I'm telling you, I'll never get bored of that. It still makes me laugh to this day. You know what, there's a dirty old man up there with a bald head. Frank, is that you? Is that you, Frank? I could be in the Yorkshire Dales. Is that you, Frank? Hold on, there's a guy with a mobile phone at his knee. He's filming people walking, but yeah, that's Frank. Go on, Frank. Oh, there's a guy in a wheelchair there. Raider! Hey, Raider! He's with another goofy guy, Roy C. Yeah, I come out. Sorry, I was coughing. What's up, girl? Mwah. You get those duds. You can get them. AI dog. AI dog. Look. AI dog. You know what? It's pretty sad, isn't it, right? Yeah, you can't show your dog because of weirdos like Frank Tierney and Callum David Thompson making alt accounts up about your dog. Remember they did it with Loma Curry and all this kind of crap. Fucking weirdos. Anyway, people, I'm on one. I'll catch you a bit later. No, Colin, no.